Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to change outfit of your avatar. If you have created your own avatar on Facebook and you want to change outfit on your avatar, first of all go into your Facebook app. Now go into your Facebook app. Now here you will see three lines option at the right side at the top of your screen. Now click on three line option and scroll down. Now here you will see avatar option. Now click on avatar option. Now you will see that I have created an avatar on my Facebook. Now if I want to edit it, click on edit it to change your outfit. So now scroll down and here you will see many options. Find out where is outfit option and like this body shape. Now here is outfit option. Now there are many options which you can use as your outfit on to your avatar. So like this you can change your outfit of your avatar. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more Facebook page tips and Instagram tips and other tips. Thanks for watching.